Hello everyone, I am Herb Coach and I want to welcome you to the Railroading Merit Badge Day at the Chicagoland Lionel Railroad Club. Let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance, the Scout Oath, and the Scout Law. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty, to guide my country, to obey the Scout Law, to help other people at all times, to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. A Scout is trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent. Today we start with 8 stations where each one has specific requirements of the Railroading Merit Badge. The requirements are presented, reviewed, and tested. Use your worksheet to take notes. You will need them when you review the merit badge with your counselor. Your name badge lists your train, which is your patrol, the starting station, lunchtime, and the afternoon starting station. It is your train ticket and can be used to come back on September 21st, 2024 to view our layout in action. You and your family are free as our guests. In the bag, you will find your worksheet, the CLRC Railroading Merit Badge commemorative patch, and Canadian Pacific Railroad and Operation Lifesaver Railroad items. When you have completed the 8 stations, go to the area where the Merit Badge counselors are. You will review what you have learned today with the Merit Badge counselor. When the Merit Badge is earned, the counselor will sign your Merit Badge blue card.
Miles. That's just one company. That's one train yard. There's hundreds and hundreds of train yards just in the country, and that's just one train yard. So that's why this is the biggest part of the operations is the operating team. Okay? Keeps the roadbed and the rolling stock in good repair. Again, that's just a small portion of this. Okay? Next, you've got the transportation group. What do you think what kind of people fall under the transportation group? Yes, sir.
Conductors.
Conductors, okay. What else?
People who operate. Engineers.
Yes, these specific trains are serving certain sets of groups. So the transportation teams, they operate the trains serving passengers, which is obviously what you think of your main.
Gondola. The gondola can be used for scrap. You can use it for pipes, anything that doesn't need protection from the elements, but it has to have some containment so it doesn't fall off the car.
The gondola is the railroad's junk car. Put that down. Any kind of junk stuff that they want to get rid of, could be wood, could be metal, could be anything, just their junk car.
Some of them carry like telephone poles if they're long enough. They drop the ends on them and have a car on each side if you got really long poles. Pipe.
In this case, you can see they got just a bunch of junk. Okay, that'll help you remember when I ask you later. Now the tank car. Who can just guess what goes in a tank car? Liquids, absolutely.
Brian Ballou is a retired train engineer and is an Operation Lifesaver presenter for the state of Illinois. A key part to the Railroading Merit Badge includes Operation Lifesaver's insight to respect railroad crossings, railroad property, and how to react to railroad emergencies.
Flashing red lights with the crossbucks. If they're flashing, you need to what? Stop. Yes. I thought somebody was going to say go, but red means stop. Thank you. Sometimes you have crossing gates. If the gates are down, you stop. I I think they're getting the hang of this. If they're moving down, what do you do?
Stop.
Not go faster, stop. Never go around. You can actually get 2 tickets. One for going around the gate and one for going through.
You're making hot dogs.
Well, would be the mechanical department. What do you think that would have to do with?
Fix trains, work on trains, update them to newer technology.
Yes, that's exactly right. That's what mechanical is all about, maintaining the trains and maintaining all of the equipment used in trains. The tracks, the switches, the terminals, all that stuff is covered by the mechanical.
It is lunchtime. So how's everybody doing for lunch?
Good.
Food.
Hot dog.
Emeryville, California. At what time? 2 p.m. Okay? If you get there at 2:01, you're going to be looking at train.
It's not a circus.
So how is everybody doing? Oh, your sheets are still pretty dry. That's good. I've seen some pretty wet ones.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the other page is pretty wet too.
Oh, okay. Did you plan your trip?
I'm working on it.
Okay, where are you going?
Utah to Davis, California.
It's got to be okay, over 500 miles, right?
All right.
Okay, good. So, is everybody getting signed up?
Did I
So-
sign yours already?
We're going to read.
Did you get it? Good. So, what'd you like best about the merit badge so far?
I really liked learning about how to plan your trip with.
Oh, that was good. Yeah. You think you'll do a trip?
Yeah, my uncle actually came in by a train this morning while I was.
So you're looking at different gauges. What kind of did you guys make a layout?
Yeah,
A track plan? What'd you end up doing?
That was all.
Okay, that's an elaborate setup there.
Okay, so this is like 2 tracks. It's
Uh-huh.
kind of wonky. And then like here would be like where they turn around to get in,
Okay.
and then they could do a side thing.
Yeah, siding.
Oh yeah, sliding. That's what I said. Siding. Siding. And then this track connects to this one.
Oh, nice.
Siding. Kind of looks like a. He said it kind of looks like a Christmas stocking.
Yeah, I guess so.
Or by a TikTok.
There could be that. So how you guys doing? Did you make a layout?
Yeah.
Let's see. Ah. Well, that's a layout. Somewhat of a point to point.
It's more like a scenic route, you know?
Yeah.
This is mine. Pretty big.
Oh, good. That's another nice one. Okay. Here, let me get a picture of you guys.
One of the types
What's exhibit A?
Of this train into a variety of cars.
Absolutely. Good job.
How about a,
Okay. What was the purpose of the diesel?
Okay.
How does that produce power?
Opener, yes.
This office.
And that's what's kind of fun about the garden.
So, like, for the trees, you could just use little branches from other trees.
Well, they would go to like a hobby store, you get little branches and glue them
Yeah,
together.
a lot of the fun part of railroading is building your scenery.
The houses look really cool, like buildings.
Well, it's also the buildings. What kind of buildings do you want?
Me and my dad, we did a little Christmas activity this last Christmas,
Okay.
and we built this
Wow.
all out of fast track too.
Wow, that's fun.
This is, look at this. This is his
We got a
layout
hobbyist.
Wow,
that he has.
it's really cool.
It is
I have
really
that
cool.
at home.
Do you?
Yeah,
Wow.
but it's not
So
Christmas.
some of you guys are already railroaders, huh?
Yeah, so my dad has been taking me on the train ever since he bought it when I was like 1. And so this madness, the first time I came here to an open house, I bought like 20 stuff.
Get out of town.
No, I bought 20 stuff all to deal with this.
It's so fun.
So here,
Good
you
for
can see
you.
the examples, like part of the accessories is they got a trestle, they got a sign, a house, a pond, people and trees. All of that is needed to be the same scale so it looks realistic. And
Right.
that's what this is.
Boy, it was a challenging day with the rain. However, as scouts, all of us were prepared. For the outside stations, we had tarps to keep us dry. By coincidence, when it came time to change stations, the rain let up for dry passage. Inside it was dry. Carmen Trapani assisted Brian Ballou. Many conductors assisted the scouts firsthand in understanding all of the presentations. In order to be able to start the day at 8 a.m., we assembled the tarps on Friday. It was sunny then. We thought it would rain on Saturday, but not as much as it did. The tarps got very wet on Saturday and were not in any condition to pack and store. Many of us came back on Sunday to dry out the tarps and then put them away in the CLRC trailer for next year. Next year's Railroading Merit Badge will be held on June 7th, 2025. We had a challenging day. I'm glad that everyone was prepared for the weather which made the day possible. Thank you for coming. Remember to save your name badges for our September 21st, 2024 open house. Hey, if you lost your badge, let me know at my email address, herbwkoch@gmail.com. Again, that's herbwkoch@gmail.com, and I'll reserve a spot for you and your family. Please stay tuned for the rest of the slideshow. Pretty cool.
Flashing red lights with the cross box. If they're flashing, you need to what? Stop. Yes. I thought somebody was going to say go, but red means